So go onto stonecircletours.co.za and sign up to be a patron of the Stone Circle Museum. Absolutely critical that we get passionate people around the world to sign up to help preserve these ancient sites, because our government is obviously not doing it. The farmers on the private farms don't have enough money to do this, and for the last 15 years I guess I've been the sole voice for the protection and the maintenance and preservation of these ruins. So I just want to share the level of infiltration of trees, weeds, grass in these stone circles. Breaks my heart, but at the same time makes me excited that hopefully very soon I'll have some additional extra time to devote to this very important part of my journey and I guess my calling on earth. Keep in mind that everything to do with the One Small Town initiative has come from the discovery of the stone circles, the understanding of the stone circles, the ancient civilizations, the origins of money, and everything is connected. And here we are on top of the mountain again, reliving my journey of the last 20 years since 2005 and realizing how important it is to really pay attention and focus on the preservation and maintenance of these incredible ancient structures that take us back closer to the origins of humankind than we could possibly imagine. Until next time, it's Michael Tellinger. Bye for now.